Okay, folks, so today we are rail fanning at the Crosse, Wisconsin again. So we have rail fanned at this area for a long time. So I think we started in 2022 and it's crazy. Look at that, lots of BNSF cars. Cool. $29.25. $19.13. Let's do 45. Everywhere is that. Lot A open. Lot B closed. Lot C open. Look at that. We've got lights on. Dodge. Oh my. 1913. Once again. Let's zoom. $19.13. $29.25 again. Oh. All right. We're here again, folks. We're back at O'Neill Park.
There's a train coming.
And I don't know if that was a train. I don't know if that's a train. Never mind. That train's actually like coming already. I think I might have to leave after this train because it's taking a while. We are under a tornado watch right now, so we've been rail fanning for a couple years as of now. Like probably maybe like 3 or 4. I think it was like started in 2022. So that's like 3.5 years ago from now. We are still under a tornado watch. And I believe that is till 10. That one's really huge. I thought that light was for the brewery train. but instead was this big long one. That train's been here for like 3 minutes. There's the last part. Yep. It's not even a brewery train. It's a different train instead of a brewery train. So I guess the brewery train is now more like. That's a big one. Can't even see it.